In this next video series, we will be talking about probabilities. We have actually already seen probabilities quite a bit because probabilities are really just percentages. So you can find plenty of examples of probabilities in the percent video series. Really, probabilities, percentages, fractions, ratios, these are all the same thing. The only difference is usually just the context in which you're talking about them. So with probabilities, you are talking about the chance that some event or events will occur. So for example, if I have a classroom of 5 students and 3 of those students are boys, you can either say what percent of the students in the class are boys, and that would be 3 out of 5 or 60%. Or you could say, if I was to choose a student from the class at random, what is the probability that that student is a boy? And the answer would be the same thing, 3 out of 5 or 60%. So there are only a few things new to know about probabilities, and we will talk about those in the next video.